Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I'm showing my workplace where I do all my projects. This is where I keep all my projects over here. All my projects. Then from there, let me just put it for a bit. This is where I also store all my motherboards, my cables, my motors, my soldering iron, and other stuff for my projects. Okay, let me just pause it for a bit again. This is the last part of my workshop where I do my soldering, my charging for my batteries, my making of my projects, everything here. And subscribe for more videos, leave a comment below, and share and like. See you next time on my other videos. Bye for now. Have a good night or have a good morning wherever you are in the world. See you.